You're not going to want to forget this, because if you do, it'll be too late when you finally remember it. What am I talking about? I'm talking about your money, and this is how to protect it. As much as I love to talk about money, it is legally prudent for me to say that I am not your financial advisor, nor am I your pimp. I don't do that anymore. So always consult with your own expert before acting on any information in this video. And hopefully, they teach you a good trick or two. Okay, the most important lesson to learn about protecting cash is that if you wait, it is too late. Don't think once you realize you're in trouble, you can just gift away stacks of cash to family or friends. It doesn't work that way. And if you're not worried about losing your money, you should be, because it happens. There's a good chance you'll be sued sometime in your life. It could be a car accident, a credit card company, maybe some kid decided to run through your yard and face plant on your driveway. It can happen for an endless number of reasons. So if you're just starting to earn a little bit of cash, or maybe you've been earning bags of it, there's one important thing you don't want to forget, and that's how to protect your money from lawyers who love to represent creditors, your neighbors, friends, yeah, it happens, and drivers that often don't know what the hell they're doing on the road, but they always know how to call that damn number written on the billboard. So there are just a handful of places where you can easily put large portions of your money where private creditors, not even in federal bankruptcy court, can touch it under most circumstances. So here's the list of financial instruments that offer protection from lawsuits and bankruptcy courts. I call them the untouchables. The first one is a UTMA account. This is called the Universal Transfer to Minors Act. It allows for a custodial account with banks and brokerage firms, and depending on your state, it keeps money intended for kids until they're 18 or 21 years of age. And unless the parent abuses the account, attorneys can't touch it. Another account with kids in mind is the 529 College Savings Plan. What's really great about these accounts is that you are the owner, not the child. So in a worst case scenario, if you needed to repurpose the money, you could at any time. You just have to pay a 10% penalty. The next several accounts are retirement related and pertain only to the individual that owns them. The first is an IRA account. This is a no-brainer. If you happen to have one with an employer, great. If not, you can open your own individual retirement account with any brokerage firm. Following that is a 401k, also very familiar to people. You can rest easy with these retirement accounts knowing that your money is going to be safe. And finally, annuities. These are great financial instruments, specifically the retirement annuity. This is for those that already max out their contributions to their 401k or IRA and want a place where they can put additional funds without worrying about creditors, bankruptcy, etc. Now, one final remark. While these accounts are all generally bulletproof, you can severely damage their armor by using them as checking accounts. So they are meant for saving, not spending unless you're paying for an education or using the funds during your retirement. There are also some other exceptions, but I think you get the point. If you intend on weakening your shield, it's best to do it after you battle your lawsuit. If you'd like to see more crazy short videos on what you should forget, please like and subscribe.